Right, hi everyone. Now we've had a few storms here recently, so in this video I'm going to share with you just how I painted this sort of very atmospheric, moody scene that's got a very, very dark sky. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Okay, first of all I'll start by blocking in the sky with some Paynes grey. Now I'm using a very well prepared surface on this panel. First of all acrylic sealer, then acrylic primer, then a coat of acrylic gesso, and finally finishing off with oil primer. Now the reason for this is because I'll be using odorless mineral spirits as the medium throughout this painting, and I really don't want any sinking in, so I want those sort of darks to really glow. I start applying the paint on the sky with a 1-inch brush. Then I move on to 2 and 3-inch mottler brushes. These are absolutely ideal for applying paint to a large surface, and also they're ideal for blending as well. I'll also be using a fan brush later. Now for the light areas in the sky, I'm not actually using any white. I'm relying on the transparency of the paint that I'm putting on. So I'm wiping certain areas off and I'm letting the surface, the oil primed surface, shine through. Again, I just have to mention these mottler brushes, especially the 3-inch one, is ideal for blending. I'm probably using about 3 or 4 of them because as soon as they come oversaturated with paint, they lose their effectiveness for blending. I'm just using a T-square here to help mark out the horizon line. Now for the sea here, I'm using titanium white, phthalo blue and some Paynes grey. Now the first coat on the sky is actually dry, so I'm just darkening the top part of the sky with some more Paynes grey. Here I'm using some diluted yellow ochre. And some more Paynes grey. And one of my favourite colours, transparent red iron oxide. Starting to add some titanium white now for the waves in the sea. As you can see here as well, because these colours are quite diluted with some mineral spirits, there's not that much paint on, so the blending is quite easy. It's just a nice sort of soft effect, which I actually love this effect, I really do. But as I said before, you really do need to prepare your surface properly. So here for the pools of water in the sand in the foreground, I'm using a mixture of Phalo blue and titanium white. Now, as I'm absolutely bursting with over 40 years of knowledge and experience as an artist, I really would like to share this with you through an online course and a sort of like community. So just please let me know what you think about this. And also for more details and when this is to be launched, you can visit my website and sign up for my newsletter. Thank you.